going on? Big Mix, Biggy Travels, and today we'll be heading over to the Filipino Fest. So it's called FiliFest, and I think it's like a compilation of all of the best UK businesses in terms of Filipino businesses, and there's going to be loads of places for us to eat. There's going to be like live performances, and it's held at UCL campus. Let's get it.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it.
Kumusta ka na? So I'm excited, like I haven't been to a barrio in so many years. This kind of feels like a barrio. It's a Filipino kind of festival. I know there's going to be like some live acts, there's going to be performers, there's going to be some great restaurants that are going to be there pitching up. I think Jollibee is going to be there as well, so keep an eye out. Wow man, it's a beautiful day in London. We don't get weather much like this. Like when I was in Philippines, it was hitting like 40 degrees. But here in London, it's usually cloudy or rainy. And today it's going to be 26 degrees Celsius. It's going to be a scorcher. With the explosion of Filipino food across the world and the rise and takeover of the fried chicken industry, we're going to go see Jollibee today, who's on campus, who's been taking it over and capturing the hearts of all the chicken fanatics around the world.
Let's go to Jollibee dance. Let's go to Jollibee dance. Hey, let's go.
So accompanying Jollibee are some other Filipino food restaurants that are in start-up stage, or they're coming to get their own restaurant at the moment. And these Filipino food restaurants are doing classic Filipino food, and also some are doing some unique twist on our homeland, motherland food.
Snow fungus, that's part of the mushroom family.
Yeah, jump. Kumusta ka na? Mabuhay.
Stop taking program.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Hi, vlog. Subscribe, like, comment.
So I'm gonna help these guys today. We're gonna give out some of these bad boys.
She's gonna help us.
Hey.
Hi, go for it. Go for it. Shy.
Doing it right. Just
That's a milli roll. Hey.
Follow us on Instagram.
She plugged herself. Hello, sir. Kumusta ka na? Hello. CBN is here as well, as you can see. I'm here with the Kaibigans. As soon as we step in the building, we're greeted by friendly Filipinos. Oh hey, boy. FiliFest! Hey! What's going on? Big Mix, Biggy Travels, and we're here today at FiliFest. This is one of the hosts, Heather.
Hi, I'm Heather.
So Heather, tell me a bit about FiliFest.
FiliFest is basically a student-run culture festival for the Philippines. So we've brought universities from around the UK and the Filipino societies to come and like perform, to help out. We have games, stalls, food, we have TFC, PAL, we have like the biggest raffle ever. They're giving away 2 tickets to the Philippines.
Whoa! Who's giving away 2 tickets?
Philippine Airlines. Yeah.
Oh my god,
So
I gotta hit that raffle up.
If you're here.
That's crazy. Let's go back home, motherland. Hey! 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, safe you lot, man. Thank you guys. You guys are cool, bro. Thank you lot. Thank you. Cool.
They see I'm steady and focused. I put my city on shoulders. We been the furthest from sober. He got the gun in the soda. If someone get in my way, I'ma go run them over. Ran them over in a Uber. Ain't no drunk driving. Uber XL, let the shorties piling. Shorty like my style. I let it smash my stylist. Boy, I got the drip, can't find it. California coast for the weekend.
Just follow me, baby. I'll take you where you need to be.
Girl, you know that you the shit. Hey, you walking with them heels on, talking to me, girl. Your body, I wanna feel on. Once I get to you, I promise we gon' go real on.
Hey, look who came through. Don't know, Pat, FiliFest. Man like Giorgio, aka Professor Tasty. First, we started off with some delicious ice cream. So, Kape Pan started us off with some mango float, which had calamansi syrup, mango, and graham crackers. Yeah! Thank you, bro. Welcome. Yeah, boy. Sit up. Some of that halo. Alright, so we got a mango float here today, and we're gonna let these guys try some. Have a little taste. How's that tasting, big boy? Good. So at the bottom, they've also got some like graham crackers laced at the bottom. So if you want to dig quite deeper, dig into the ocean of the crackers at the bottom. Yeah. On this guy's face. So we have here pandan brioche with a macapuno sweet cream filling. Look at that center. Okay. Easy bun, man. She's amazing.
When it's over, leave my heart there by the door. Then I realize, I know the lie you. What it is I did, then I hurt you.
Amongst the performers was Jollibee, who decided to get his little dance on. There was legit so many people watching. Come on! Woo! Oh, so Big G is gonna go up and play the game. What's going on, Jollibee? Big man. Hey. What's going on, guys? You guys are a pair? Playing the balloon game? Yeah. Jump in, that's it, that's it. Look at your audience today. You got bare people here to watch you. It's crazy. Yo, so in the Philippines they play this balloon game where you have to squash the balloon between two people and they smash it up. So here today they're going to be banging this one up.
Assign a volunteer
Hey.
6 balloons each, and whoever pops them the fastest wins.
Oh, there goes one. There we go, hard up. You have to pop it on someone's body. Hey guys, what's going on? Whoa! So this is the lineup for today, let's go.
Pop all 6 balloons the fastest. 3, 2, 1, start!
Go on, Jollibee! Go on. You have to hump him.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
Hey. These guys are popping it like mad, look at them. Oi! Oh my god. Hey, winners! Come on! You guys are hella fast. Hey, finish that balloon. Come on, you gotta finish it.
Y'all really work it like
Hey! That's you. Oh! What happened to you, G? Oh, you broke the Jollibee! Did you break the Jollibee? Oh, you broke Jollibee! Oh, sorry, bro. My bad. Okay. Man humped him so hard he broke it.
Thank you, Tito Jollibee.
Thank you, Tito Jollibee. Maraming salamat, pare. Thank you po. One love, one love. Do the same story. You humped too hard, bro. These two are the winners of
Angela, and you win a Jollibee. Hello.
Damn, yeah. You've been practicing, haven't you?
No.
Hey, you guys been practicing at home, haven't you? You've been popping balloons at home now? Champions, hey, reigning champions. Maraming salamat, Thank you for... I just want to know how, yeah? Ha! I just want to know how this guy broke Jollibee, bro. What did you do to him? It's all about the technique. See, got the motion of the ocean. You hear that? What a waste, man.
To the old town road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Next was Turo Turo, serving up the most delicious chicken in the South. Yo, big mix, Biggy Travels, and we're here today with Anthony. Don't know, Pap. Man like Anthony's gonna try some of that Filipino food, you know it.
Thanks, man.
So you're trying some of that inner South. So what have we got here today?
In the south, got that chara, got a little salad going on.
Ooh!
Got that rice.
Oh, you gotta get a big bite in there, brother. Yum! How's that tasting?
Oh.
Legit. Tastes like homeland, innit? Don't know, Pat. So this is Turo Turo's. You got some of that chicken, you got the rice, and we got some vegetables there. It looks mighty fine and tasty. I'm gonna get into that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try some of this chicken here today, bang bang. And I'm also gonna let Carlos try it. Carlos has never had Filipino chicken, innit? He never had the inner South, he's never had this grilled chicken. So let me let Carlos have the first taste. Carlos, I bless you with the holy fork. The holy fork. Hey, you want a spoon?
No, I can use my hands if you want.
Man's eating like a true Filipino.
Yummy.
Like a true, you haven't washed your hands, bro. Have the fork. Filipinos wash their hands. Alright, so what we're gonna try today is you're gonna get some of that chicken, so that's inner South. That's Turo Turo's twist on the inner South. Yeah, get some of that in. Turo Turo, you've been bringing in some fresh gems. That looks mighty fine. I'm about to dig in. How's that chicken taste?
Very, very soft. Very nice as well.
I feel like I'm in the Colosseum right now. I gotta say, that's some dank chicken, man. So how much intensity can you taste? Can you taste the barbecue grill on it?
I can definitely taste that barbecue.
So how do you compare it to Portugal's Nando's? Because I know this guy loves the Nando's.
I love my Nando's.
What would you say? That's good, man.
Definitely up there with the Nando's.
Is it? It's up there with the Nando's, you hear that? Oi, we made it! Filipinos, we made it! Gotta get them lunges in there, boys. Chicken, look at that.
Next, we tried some Jollibee, including the Jolly hot dog, which was new on the menu in England.
Yo, so you got a hot dog, and it's Jolly. See the big smile on my face. With a oh, look at that sauciness. So let's see if the hot dog's up to scratch. Yeah, he's lifting it up. Big bite. Wow. Describe the flavors you're feeling right now. I can taste the ketchup and the cheese hit me. Then taste the juicy succulent hot dog, bro. Hit the back of my throat. Yum burger, man. Who wants it, bro?
Side by side with your loved one.
Have a cheers on that. Cheers each other. 3, 2, 1, go. What do you think, boys? Succulent, juicy. Thanks, lads. Thanks for sharing.
Cheers.
Next was OhMyGulay's vegan Filipino food.
Thank you so much, young lady.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
No worries, no. What you've got there is two of our dishes. You've got kare kare.
Yep.
That's our peanut stew, all vegetables. It's got aubergines, runner beans, pak choy, and snow fungus. That's part of the mushroom family.
So, the snow fungus is actually used in Chinese and Japanese herbal medicine. It is usually used to clear up a dry cough and if you have any heart palpitations.
Okay. It resemble tripe, which Filipinos use traditionally.
Delicious.
Then we do have our national dish, which is adobo, and it's soya pieces with potatoes, sweet potatoes, and okra.
That's perfect. Thank you very much, bro. Yo, so Filipino festivals are like amazing because you can just bring anyone down. You can come here with your girlfriend, with the mandem, but you can also come here with your family. There's like loads of families over there. They're having a great old time. Everyone's like queued up. Family photo. Hey, it's Lola over here. Lola! Oh, so we're gonna do a little taste test here today of this vegan twist on Filipino foods. So Filipinos, they love their pork and chicken, but today we're gonna try the vegan style version of our favorite national dishes. This is kare kare over here, and we've got adobo over there. So we got Carlos over here. Carlos, where are you from?
I'm from Portugal.
He's from Portugal.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Up north.
Up north in Portugal, and he's gonna be trying some of this vegan Filipino food today.
First time eating Filipino food.
It's the first time?
Yeah. Very nice.
Loving it. So what textures? Can you give me like a flavor profile? What can you taste in here? So yeah, everything in this is vegetable, you know? Can you imagine it's vegan? That's crazy for a Filipino dish. So I'm gonna try some of that snow fungi. They said this grows in the mountains. And it's a native mushroom of the Philippines, I think they said. So let's try it. Snow fungi, go in here.
Juicy meat.
Do you know why it's good? In kare kare we usually have beef. And we have like a fatty beefy texture, and the mushroom tastes like that fatty beefy texture. Oh, it's delicious. Let's try some of that adobo, baby. So the adobo is actually made with I think you were saying soybean, the classic vinegary soy sauciness of it. Tastes like chicken. Splendid, man. Yo, what's going on, brother?
Hello.
Hey. So what are you doing today with the Mogu Mogu?
Oh, we're selling some Mogu Mogu in the Filipino Festival.
Hey. So what flavors do you have today?
Oh, we got pina colada.
Damn.
Mango.
Oh.
Coconut.
Yeah.
And lychee.
Hydration. And lychee. Oh, that sounds piff, man. Nini was saying that this one actually goes well with some cocktails. You can make some alcoholic drinks, right?
Yeah.
The pina colada one.
It's a good chaser, you know, if you don't want to get that drunk, like at the middle of the night, or but you still want to get something sweet and still want to get alcohol, I think you use pina colada.
Perfect. Man, cha-ching. Nice one, Kuya.
Next was Lakwatsa bubble tea.
Yo, damn. There's so many people here in the line. Some bubble tea, baby.
Chocolate hazelnut slush.
Lovely.
It's one of our best sellers.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and this is us.
Thank you very much, madam. Yo, big mix. So I just got a taro chocolate hazelnut slush. We're here with Lakwatsa. How is it? Tasty fresh. Got the sago bowls at the bottom. With the sago, with the taho. So I'm gonna ask today my boy, what's your name, bro?
Kelvin?
Kelvin, and how are you finding FiliFest today?
Not bad. It's like a taste of home to a degree.
Like a taste of home. Welcome home, bro.
Hey,
bang, bang.
Great atmosphere.
My guys are loving it. Hey, bro, try some of this. This is banging. Chocolate, sago balls inside, exotic drink in it. Hey, bro, try some of that. All the same straw. That's what happens when you're in the brotherhood, innit? How's that tasting, bro? Good. Tasting. Woo!
Said, oh baby, give me one more chance. Come here. Show me that I love you.
Hey.
Back in your heart.
Yeah.
Oh, darling, I was blind
To let you go. Yeah, there you go. Mad skills. Oi. What a touch. The new Ascals.
Then we went on to play some games with the TFC chat.
Big Mix, Biggy Travels. Who's gonna hula today? I can't hula, let's try. Hula, what's scared? Oh, he's got the hits like Shakira.
Oh, you could actually do it. What do you mean? We're good, we're good.
How are you? Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Look at the flick of the wrist.
Look at the flick of that wrist.
Oh. Go, game. Game na. Game na, ate. Sige, bilis mo. Oi! My camera lady for today, hello. Oi! Ikaw. Oi! Ikaw din. Bilis mo. Bilis mo. Sige na. Sige na, tara. Bilis mo. Tita, fly the flag.
Festival,
Hitting up that photo shoot. Filipino models out here. Hey, what's going on? Hey, got people doing a fashion shoot out here. Get in there. Oh, see that dab? Damn, damn. Oh. Yo, so this Filipino Festival, FiliFest, has been amazing. They've literally got so many people here and they're really doing the Philippines proud with what they've organized today. So yeah, here are the guys. You guys want to shout your names out?
Precious. Anna. Heather.
Ray. Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat, ha? FiliFest, baby. Thank you. Heather, halika dito. We have to pretend that we're vlogging for the photo.
Oh.
So yeah. Thank you guys. Oh, you guys back again. Hey. Over and out, Big Mix, over and out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. We nearly made it. Come on, let's reach 2K, baby. 2K.